Up Report Chart, and this is your weekly stash. We've gone by the name Marijuana Money for the last 5 years, but we're going to change it to match up with our newsletter that goes out weekly and is known as the Weekly Stash. This week, cannabis giant Canopy Growth said it was getting out of the retail store business. The company is selling off its Tokyo Smoke and Tweed stores. Canopy said it was focused on becoming more profitable, and that meant it would pivot to just becoming a consumer packaged goods company. Green Market Report reported this week that there are a lot of cannabis companies that are employing the strategy of deferring their tax payments. A lot of these companies are seeing their tax bills grow every year while hoping that some form of legislation will get passed that will ease these tax burdens. Our reporter John Schroyer did a deep dive into tax payments. The Northern Lights SPAC was completed this week. Safe Harbor Financial is finally trading on the NASDAQ, even though the company got just a little less money than planned. However, investors are making sure Safe Harbor has enough money in the pipeline to keep it secure for next several months. Ascend Wellness announced that its CEO, Abner Curtin, would step down after news surfaced of a domestic dispute. The company said it would have 2 interim co-CEOs as it begins its search for a permanent replacement. London-based British American Tobacco acquired a minority stake in a German marijuana company, Sanity Group, and they led the company to what they claim to be the largest capital raise in European cannabis history. The BAT Group led a $37.6 million Series B capital raise for Sanity Group, and they said that this is the largest cannabis investment round to date. That money is going to be used to further expand Sanity Group's existing footprint and prepare it for further expansion once cannabis is fully legalized in Germany. And speaking of fully legalized, it looks like Vermont is on track to begin adult sales on October 1st. Now, the state looked like it might get off to a slow start as some licensees said they didn't have enough time to have a harvest ready by that date. But Slang, with its Sarah's Collaborative Group, announced its medical operation in Burlington would open on the planned start date as an adult use dispensary. And that's it for this week. This has been your weekly stash from the Green Market Report.